Good morning all. So let us look at few more problems on finding the nth derivative. So the first question is find the nth derivative of y equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So here we will take dy by dx first. So when you take the first derivative, so derivative tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So by using the chain rule with that, so you will get 1 by 1 plus root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x whole square. Now by chain rule, take the derivative of this function. So use quotient rule for that. So you will get x into 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square into 2x square minus root of 1 plus x square minus 1 into 1. So here you will get, you can take x square to be the common denominator, so you will get x square plus, now this is in the form a minus b whole square, അപ്പോൾ the expanding ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1 plus x square minus 2 root of 1 plus x square plus 1 വരും. So ഇവിടെ denominatorലുള്ള x square that will come to the numerator, and here you will have, so here x will cancel off, so this will give 1 by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 plus x square plus 1 by x. So x square will cancel off. So here you will get 1 by 2 x square plus 1 minus 2 root of 1 plus x square, and here you will get x square cancel out, the common denominator 1 by root of take root of 1 plus x square as a common denominator, so you get 1 minus 1 plus x square plus root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 plus x square. So therefore we are going to get, here both the x are on the numerator, but cancel avilla, both x square aagutadi. So here you will have x square. So now x square will cancel off here. So we will get 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x square into root of 1 plus x square minus 1, and x square cancel out. So here you will have root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by root of 1 plus x square. So when you simplify, these two terms will cancel off. So you are going to get 1 by 2 1 plus x square. So therefore dy by dx will be 1 by 2 1 plus x square. So this will be of the form ax plus I plus b by x minus I. So let us equate the coefficients on both sides. So here you will have 1 by 2 then equal to a into x minus I plus b into x plus I. So when you put x equal to I, so that gives 1 by 2 equal to 2ib. So therefore we will get b equal to 1 by 4i, and again when x is equal to minus I, so we will get 1 by 2 equal to minus 2ia. So a will be minus 1 by 4i. So therefore dy by dx is minus 1 by 4i by x plus I plus 1 by 4 by I x minus I. Now we need the nth derivative of yn ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. So for obtaining yn we need to differentiate dy by dx n minus 1 times. So we will get minus 1 by 4i. അപ്പോൾ n minus 1th derivative എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ we will get minus 1 raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial. A is 1, so a raised to n varum, and x plus I whole raised to n ആയിരിക്കും വരാം. Okay. Plus 1 by 4i. So here you will get minus 1 raised to minus 1 n minus 1 factorial by x minus I raised to n. Now let us take the common terms outside. So 1 by 4i is common. Then you have minus 1 raised to n minus 1. N minus 1 factorial is common. So we will get remaining 1 by x minus I raised to n minus 1 by x plus I raised to n. So this is what we'll be getting. And now let us put x equal to cos theta and y equal to 1 equal to r sin theta. So x minus I will be r cos theta minus r ir sin theta. So 1 by x minus I whole raised to n will be 1 by r cos theta plus minus ir sin theta whole raised to n varum. So this will be 1 by r raised to n. So we will get cos n theta. Let's take the numerator first. So this will be cos theta minus I sin theta raised to minus n. So by de Moivre's theorem, so cos of minus n theta will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. And sin minus n theta will be equal to minus sin n theta. And similarly, x plus I whole raised to n will be 1 by r raised to n cos n theta minus I sin n theta. So therefore yn will be equal to 1 by 4i minus 1 raised to n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial. Now we need to subtract both. So 1 by x minus I whole raised to n minus this. So we will be getting 2y sin n theta by r raised to n. So 2y cancels out, so 2 will. So that is minus 1 whole power n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial by 2 sin n theta. Now from here r will be equal to, so this implies r equal to 1 by sin theta. So this is cosec theta. So this is cosec theta whole power n numerator like varumbo sin theta out. So that will be equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial sin n theta sin theta whole power n by 2, where theta will be tan inverse of, so theta is sin theta by cos theta എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 1 by x വരും. So that will be cot inverse x. So this is the required value. Let's look at the next type of problems, that is finding the nth derivative of products of powers of sines and cosines. So when you have products of powers of sine and cosine functions, so let us look at how to find the nth derivative. We have seen the formulas for the nth derivative of sine ax plus b and cos ax plus b. So we will be using those formulas for finding the nth derivative here. So nth derivative of sine ax plus b is equal to a raised to n sine ax plus b plus n pi by 2 വരും. അതുപോലെ nth derivative of cos ax plus b is equal to a raised to n cos ax plus b plus n pi by 2. So we will be using these results. Okay. So let us look at an example. Find the nth derivative of y equal to cos raised to 4x. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നതാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഫംഗ്ഷനെ മൊത്തം ലീനിയർ ടേംസിലാക്കണം. സോ വി യൂസ് സർട്ടൻ ട്രിഗണോമെട്രി ഐഡന്റിറ്റീസ് എല്ലാം ലീനിയർ ടേമിലാണ്. സൈൻ എ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ബി ഫോമുല cos ax plus b formula, you know how to take the nth derivative. So that's what we are going to do. So we have cos square x. So cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 varum. So therefore cos raised to 4x will be 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square. So when you expand this, you will get 1 by 4 into 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x വരും. ഇനി നമുക്ക് cos square 2xനെ വീണ്ടും എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം using the same formula. So cos square 2x will be 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So this is 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So therefore y is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 8 plus cos 4x by 8. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 will be 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus cos 4x. 1 by 8 cos 4x. So this is the value of y. Now therefore the nth derivative will be, so the first term is 3 by 8, nth derivative 3 by 8 is 0, then 1 by 2 we need the nth derivative of cos 2x. Cos ax plus b nth derivative എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് a raised to n cos ax plus b plus n pi by 2 വരും. So here cos 2x ആണ് 2 raised to n cos 2x plus n pi by 2 വരും. Plus we have 1 by 8 a raised to n 4 raised to n cos 4x plus n pi by 2. So that is equal to, so here you will get 2 raised to n minus 1 cos 2x plus n pi by 2 plus 4 power n by 8 cos 4x plus 1 pi by 2. So that is the required derivative.